Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Hey, it's another day in Hangzhou. Down in the metro station, so yeah, I don't know. It's kind of interesting city overall. Kind of reminds me a little bit like I was back in Korea a long time ago. But yeah, this is kind of a food court area that leads into the subway metro system. So you got all kinds of stuff you could eat here. Super chicken. I saw KFC earlier. There's Sukiya, the Japanese one. Pancake house. Actually, I might eat one of these. Yeah, I might eat that Japanese one right there. There's a Subway too. Okay. Let's see, there's a few more up here. Kind of get another sense of there's another KFC. There's two of them. I'm surprised the other one's not too far away. I guess it makes sense that you can kind of catch people on both sides when they first come in. Dang, there's some good food here. This looks really tasty. Huh. It's like rice. It's like kind of a special kind of rice. Huh. Let's see what this one is. Okay, let's take a look at some more. Yeah, there's a lot of different food I haven't seen in this particular city that I don't see in Hong Kong or Shanghai. There's some more down there. Okay. Alright, so I guess I'm going to go down. I think I'm going to try that one that has that rice with the purple rice and the beans in it. Show you some pictures of it. It's all in Chinese, so but they have a pretty good picture menu. There's a mango. Yeah, this one. Let's see if I can find one of these. Okay, here's what it looks like. So it's kind of like this is Kim rice paper. This is like purple bean rice, and then you got a hot dog in the middle. There's a bit more into it. There's the kind of like this crunchy. I don't know what that brown stuff is, but it's kind of like a crunchy mayonnaise, hot dog, bean rice, and seaweed paper. Okay, so we're in the Hanghzhou, and what we're trying to do is get a ticket, and I just spent about 5 minutes. Some guy was helping me. I should have filmed it, but basically there's no attendants that are open. And they have some machines, but the machines are only in Chinese, which is okay. I got somebody to help me to try to do it in Chinese, but then I needed a Chinese ID. So it's like, yeah, it's one of the problems with traveling in China. There's you know, there's everything. They kind of assume that everybody is Chinese, so like there's no way to get a ticket. I mean, even if you do Chinese and you're a foreigner, you can't get a ticket in these ticket booths without a Chinese ID. So I don't know. So I'm gonna try to find this ticket office, and they said I have to go upstairs. So I'm gonna try to go there. I went to another office already, another ticket office, but all the booths were closed and shut down. The windows were shut. So so I don't know, pretty big. It's big station, 10 million people, but not much And then we talk to these customer service ones, you know, they're sitting there like that woman's just eating, chewing gum or something, I don't know. But yeah, a lot of them won't really say anything. So even when the guy who was helping me came up there, even in Chinese, he was like kind of like trying to get upset, like, no, listen, I'm trying to explain to you that he doesn't have a Chinese ID. I can't help him because the machine doesn't help it. Thankfully, you know, there's people that are trying to help, but the bureaucracy is, anyways, this is kind of the, so I'm going to try to find this other ticket office and see what happens. They said that upstairs might be the only place, just to see. Here's another ticket office, so I'll show you what I mean. But to the right, you can see all the machines, and then to the left, all the attendants that would actually help a foreigner are all closed. So same like throughout. So maybe upstairs I can find. But yeah, see all these right here. You can stand in long lines usually, or you can do the. But anyways, let's see. He also said I can try to go. Maybe I might have to go outside and I don't know. I just walked all the way down, all the way to the end. So okay, good thing I don't have a leg issue or half handicapped or something. Dang. So you can, since I'm talking, I might as well put myself on camera. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here. Another KFC. It's the third one I've seen in this one. So okay, so we're gonna go up these stairs and see if we can find somebody who can actually issue a ticket to a foreigner. It's actually kind of interesting too, because near me is another airport. So I guess the this airport and the Shanghai airport is next to the train station, which is pretty cool. So that means that you can come in an airport and get somewhere. So the way they're setting up their cities is pretty interesting, and they're actually really uniform too, the way that's set up. So okay, so we're gonna try to find where this ticket office is. Wish me luck. Thought I was filming, but maybe not. So basically over here is there's an airport and a bus station. So the train station, bus station, airport is all together. And I might be doubling up, but I'm gonna say it differently. But basically they're all together, which is kind of a new design that they have, which is a pretty cool design. So it just means that that you know, when you come to a city, you can easily get to the airport, to a train, to the bus, all within the same spot. So yeah, I really like that system a lot. So okay, we're gonna try to find where this ticket office is at. I'm not having any luck. B1 Railroad Ticket Office. Okay, we're gonna try to find it. So I don't know. Okay. There's a woman just passed out, so the police are there to help her. So I don't know what happened, but they got some medics coming too. Okay. I don't know, I just don't see any ticket office at all around here, so I think they just guided me to the bus station, I guess, to try to get tickets over there. Man, I don't know. But yeah, there's a bus station right there, and over the other exit is the airport, and they told me to go up. So I guess did they exhausted all the train stations already? I don't know. We'll try. Yeah, it's not easy to travel in China, that's for sure. If they don't let you buy tickets, pretty much impossible. I'm sure I'll find a way, but yeah. Okay, we're gonna try this one. It says East Railway Ticket Office, and it looks like that arrow looks like it goes to the left, but actually I think it goes up. And hopefully this will work. International passenger ticket. The only place to get it. Okay, so I got my ticket right here. So this ticket is to Nanjing. Actually, it's a little bit of a chore. So I had to wait in line for about 40 minutes, and finally got it. And it was look at that, all those people. Jeez, it's crazy. He had to wait for about 45 minutes, and then when I got it, he didn't really understand me. So luckily, I had everything all written out, Nanjing, I had exactly the train I wanted. Then he said it was all full. That's just crazy. So yeah, he said it was all full, and so there's only standing room. So there was standing room only for, and I was like first class, they sold out. Second class, they sold out. It's like, yep, standing room only, 115, and I'd have to do it only at 2 o'clock, something crazy like that. And then and I kept like trying and trying, and suddenly there was like, oh no, there's a first class at 115. First class doesn't cost a lot more. Anyways, got it. So dang, I didn't think I'd still be in the city though this late, but it's all right. It's all good. It's pretty interesting. Just had somebody else come up to me a minute ago, and where are you going? And I said food court. And I thought I had like a little guy that was gonna practice his English on me for a lot of English practicing people here. Reminds me a lot of being in Korea in the 90s. All right, so I'm gonna get down and try to get on the train. Okay, so bye-bye Hangzhou. Actually all these train stations are kind of operate the same, which is good. They're uniform, so it makes it easy to figure them all out. So basically I have to find a gate. It says 4B. So and they're kind of numbered, so I can see 26, 27. So 4B must be quite a ways down there. Jeez. All right, let's get the other end. So okay, and who knows where everybody's going. There's trains that go all over the place from who knows where. So I think this city is a pretty big tourist city. So I can't tell if the people that I've met here are a reflection of the city or if they're a reflection of just tourists across China that are taking advantage of an August holiday period if they have a holiday. Hard to say. All right. Okay, so ours is listed up there, the 4B. So we got 10A4. There's 4 down there. There's a 4 over there too. So looks like the 4s are on opposite sides. So the girl just wandering there by herself. So okay. Let's keep walking through here. 4B. Looks like it's on this side. Everything's written in Chinese too, so luckily there's a numerical number system too. But yeah, since everything's in Chinese, like sometimes I'd be curious to see who's going to what city, you know, like at the airport. But yeah, you can't really do that here because everything's in, unless you can read all the Chinese cities in Chinese. So there's mine over there, 4B. The trains are pretty fast, so okay. We're going down into the station. You can see all the look like Shinkansen trains. Some of these are amazingly fast. Feels like I'm in Japan, especially when I'm in this spot. So mine's gonna be a 4B, and I'm gonna ask attendant. I don't know if mine says 13:15. Looks like there's one at 13:08 right now. So I'll wait until see if this one leaves first. And then you have to try to find your number. There's 3 different systems. So there's 3, 4, 3, 11, 6, 6, 6, and mine is and the car 4, but I don't know which way that is. That's this lady right here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.